I'm like, hey, what's up, hello. Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing follow. She my trap queen, let her hit the band, no. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just let it go, talking matching Lambos. 50, 60 grand, rob 100 grams though.
It's been a while.
And I swear I love her, how she working on the pole. Hit the strip club, we be letting bands go. Everybody hating, we just call them fans though. In love with the money, I ain't never letting go. And I get high with my baby, I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I can ride with my baby, I be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby, yeah. I can ride with my baby, I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I can ride with my baby, ride with my baby, ride. I hit the strip of my trap queen, cause all we know is bands. I snatch a Ferrari, and buy my boo a limb. I might snatch her a necklace, drop a couple on a ring. She ain't want it for nothing because I got her everything. And I'm up in the bando, with an arrow I can't go. Remy boys got the stamp though, counting the bands though. How far can your bands go? Fed you up, I'm lifting 50,000 kilo, I stand though. If you're checking for my pockets, I'm like, and I get high with my baby, I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I can ride with my baby, I be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby, yeah. And I can ride with my baby, I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I can ride with my baby, ride with my baby, ride. And I get high with my baby, fly with my baby, yeah. And I can ride with my baby, I'll be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby, yeah. Ride with my baby, I just let them all get love with my baby, yeah. I can ride with my baby, ride with my baby, ride.
Some boxing today. Today's Tuesday, February 7th. Get it done. Boxing. After that, back and buys. A little bit of deadlifts. After that, some steady state cardio. You gotta kill it this week. I gotta go under 200 pounds. So, all good this morning. 199. You know, that was before I ate anything, so probably go back up to like 201. But trying to kill it this week. So next week, I want to weigh in at 196 when I do my weigh-ins on Tuesday morning. So killing it. Probably be a 2-hour workout, maybe more. Mindset now is different. If I have the energy and the time, I'm just gonna grind. Let's go. You gotta move around the bag, you know, a little bit. When you set your goals, you gotta ask yourself, am I willing to do whatever it takes, you know, to get there? And if not, then you're just not ready yet. You won't get there because your mindset has to be at a certain level to enter into a program, a commitment. This is hard, man. Even for me, I've been working out a while. This is hard. This is the longest appointment I've done to be on top of my game. You know, like I said prior to this, cardio maybe twice a week, maybe at 30 minutes. Now I'm doing cardio every day. You know, you can't just do that. So make sure you're ready, and then you gotta stick with it. Look back to why you started. You know, when it gets tough, like it is for me this week and last week, you gotta look back to why you started. And I posted on social media because I was just going through the struggle myself, that a lot of people give up because they see how much further they have to go, how much harder it's going to be down the road, but they don't look back at how far they come. And I just posted out on Instagram, and I was like, dang man, I came a long way. Everybody's telling me I'm looking different. Thank you for that, because that really does encourage me. Because I see myself every day and I'm like, man, I look the same. So, down 40 pounds, you know, that in itself is incredible. So I can't stop now. Gotta go to the end.
In the blink of an eye, just a whisper of smoke. You could lose everything. The truth is you never know. So I'll kiss you longer, baby, any chance that I get. I'll make the most of the minutes and love with no regrets. Let's take our time to say what we want, use what we got before it's all gone. No, we're not promised.
I got about 4 cups in there, so I put 5 cups of water. And then what we do is pop that in. This lady says some weird stuff, and then she says some more weird stuff, and then she'll cook it. Just chop it up. This alone just smells so good. So hungry. Yeah, that was easy. Cool. Bam. Lime. Cool. Get the rice. Boom. Look at that perfectly cooked rice. Alright. So I'm going to transfer that to this bowl so I can mix it up. Okay. So I got my rice. Just going to put that in there. Alright. So the limes.
I was always thinking games you were playing, trying to make the best of my time.
So I made a lot because I'm obviously prepping my chicken for the next couple days. I usually prep for 3 days and then cook again the next 3 days. So I'm eating the rice, and I'll be portioning it off into some Tupperware. Cool. As you guys can see, I'll show you after if you can't see. There you go. That's gonna be amazing. And you just gotta be a little creative. When you get sick of something, switch it up and enjoy it. Dieting doesn't have to be completely boring. If you're close to an event. Alright guys, here it is, the final product. Some of these meals have 1 cup of rice, 3 ounces broccoli, 7 ounces of chicken. Some have no rice, for the dinner meals. Some ran out of broccoli, put some spinach in that one. And these leftovers, because I ran out of Tupperware, I'll be putting in a really big Ziploc bag, and I'll be using these sauces this week. I think because I'm almost out of ketchup, so I'm just going to transition to hot sauce.
Yeah, I've got thick skin.